Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos like the one you're about to see here. For stopping by. If you are new here and you enjoy budgeting content with real numbers and frequent uploads, I invite you to subscribe. I would love if you stuck around. And I'm going to show you guys a new printable set. And it's going to be stuff that I'm using myself also. I've been using my own printables since I've started making them again recently, and they're working out really well for me. So if you are looking for something to change up your system, or if you're starting to create a new system and you're not sure where to begin, this 12-page packet could really help you, or at least give you some ideas of how to move forward, even if you want to create something yourself. So this is my original budget and planning cover, and I did change it up just a little bit. It's the same kind of watercolor person, but it's still a girl. It's just like an overhead view, and she's sitting on the floor, it looks like, or somewhere, and she has like a computer in front of her. So if you check out my Etsy shop, there's so much listed in there and so much that I have recently uploaded, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But all the kits have a month on 2 pages, which I am such a huge fan of. This is my favorite type of calendar. So it has a month on 2 pages, then your monthly budget, your paycheck budget sheets. You have several of those, and that's in case you have several paydays, or you have more than one source of income, or one person bringing in income in your household, or just in case you mess up and you have extras. Then you have your sinking funds page, your monthly goals, and then you have a notes page. So basically that's what everything looked like. For a second, I was doing this cover for the subsequent months after January, but I decided to give all of the months a more dynamic look. And I'm going to show you a new one that I'm really proud of because I did it pretty quickly. One of my friends and subscriber, Denise, about 5 videos back, she had just asked if I had anything with it, like an alternate cover for maybe more of an inclusive look or African-American look. And so I came up with this, and I didn't just alter the cover page. I went ahead and I put in some more icons throughout the entire thing. So I'll give you a flip through. So if this is more of something you might be interested in, I do have May and June uploaded on my Etsy shop, but I will be doing the rest of the months for 2022. It just took me a while. And I'm getting a sore throat. I was at the hospital yesterday, and my biggest fear is that I'm coming down with something because there were some seriously sick people there. It was crazy. But anyways, so you can see, I'm going to zoom in just a bit. I tried to change the colors a little bit on the watercolor brushstroke to match her outfit a little bit better, but she's absolutely adorable, and there's different versions of some different people in this, and I have a girl on a bicycle, and on this page, I put this one in the corner as well, just to kind of not round it out, but what am I trying to say? Just balance it so it would have, like, you know, artwork on 2 pages. I thought that would be the best look. And then flipping through, the monthly budget stays the same because the only icons on here to begin with were a calculator. I just left that the same. I left the cash the same. So all of these pages are exactly the same, but once you get to your sinking funds, I have a different version of the same girl, and she has her messenger bag, sunglasses, high heels. She's so adorable. And then I have another version of her just hanging out, sitting up on the budget goals corner up here. I think she is just absolutely adorable. And then I have a different girl on a bicycle on the back, rounding out the notes section. So this is completely, well, it's not completely, but it's dramatically redone. And it did take me a little bit, but it was also really quick because I knew what I wanted to do. And I just have to be careful about sourcing the type of artwork and graphics that are not only free, but also free to reprint or distribute or sell on items. So I just wanted to make sure that I had the right graphics. So in case that is something of interest to anyone else, I just want to let you know that I do plan on making different options and being more inclusive with the designs. And this is another one that I edited today for a different version. And I think she's absolutely adorable and just such a perfect look for the content planning tracker that this is. She's in front of the computer. She's got her headphones on. It's super adorable. The rest of it is all the same. And in fact, I'll show you the first version that I had. It's pretty much exactly the same, just has a different look to it. And it's actually something that I should have thought about. I shouldn't have had to have been prompted, but you know, getting back into printables and creating these again has been kind of a whirlwind for me. And if you do check out my Etsy shop, you'll see why. I have so much stuff on there and I put it on there in such a short period of time. And I just needed to slow down and be a little bit more intentional with what I'm designing and making sure that my channel and my printables and everything that I'm putting forward and putting out there for you guys is inclusive. So I just wanted to mention that, and also thank Denise once again for the suggestion. Is much appreciated and just a really, really good one. I showed you guys some other printables that I have, like a YouTube posting schedule and then some different versions of the paycheck and monthly budget. I have, you know, these brighter versions as opposed to the neutral versions that I prefer. But, you know, I like to switch things up too. So I like the more neutral versions, which I'll show you that right now, that I've been using. But I don't know, in a month, I may want something that is a little bit brighter. So this is what the neutral look looks like. But I wanted to share that with you guys because I know she's probably not the only one who might be interested or was wondering the same thing. But I just, like I said, I wanted to come on here and thank her because it was a fantastic and a good suggestion that I took to heart. So if you are interested, all this is available, but I also wanted to let you know, it's just kind of what I want to continue to do. For a week, I put up the printables that I had created for free, and I shared with you guys my Google Drive, and they were free to download for you guys. And I did take that off because they are for sale, but throughout my video uploads moving forward, I am going to have pop-up giveaways with other digital freebies. So I just wanted to mention that in case you are still interested, but I wanted to also tell you that I'm not always going to put them in the title or the description. It's just going to be me talking about it in the video because I really want it to be a give back and a thank you to the people who subscribe to my channel and who watch all the time and, you know, who leave me nice comments and stuff. I just wanted to do something nice back. So I have a lot of ideas for different printables. It's going to be mostly budgeting focused, but I have a lot of other things and trackers in my head that I have ideas for and that I want to bring to fruition. So if you're interested in that, just if you want to like my Etsy shop and you can be notified when I upload new product, you can definitely do that. Or you can just watch my YouTube channels and I'll be announcing when I create new stuff, and it's going to be pretty often because I'm really enjoying doing it. I love the act of designing stuff like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and the explanation, and I hope you guys are doing well. It is Friday. I hope that your weekend is off to a great start, and I hope all of you stay healthy. And as always, I hope I see you guys in my next video. Take care.